Murugappa Group. Established in 1900, the Murugappa Group is one of India's leading business houses. Headquartered in Chennai, the major companies of the group include Carborundum Universal Limited, Cholamandalam Financial Holdings Limited, Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company Limited, Cholamandalam MS General Insurance Company Limited, Coromandel International Limited, Coromandel Engineering Company Limited, EID Repel India Limited, Parry Agro Industries Limited, Shanti Gas Limited, Tube Investments of India Limited, and Vended India Limited. The group has a wide geographical presence all over India and spanning 6 continents. They are market leaders in served segments including abrasives, auto components, transmission systems, cycles, sugar, farm inputs, fertilizers, plantations, bioproducts, and nutraceuticals. The group has forged strong alliances with leading international companies such as Groupe Chimique Tunisia, Foscor, Mitsui Sumitomo, Morgan Advanced Materials, Sociedad Química y Minera de Chile, Yanmar and Company, Compagnie de Phosphate de Gafsa, that is CPG. Eminent brands like BSA, Hercules, Montra, Mac City, Ballmaster, Ajax, Paris, Chola, Gromor, Shanti Gas, and Paramforce are from Murugappa stable. The group encourages a domain of polished skill and has workforce of more than 51,000 representatives. History. The tale of Murugappa Group is a tradition of business that began in 1934 and lives right up till today. Before independence, the Murugappa Group fortified its essence in the nation, generally in the south. It struck out in various ways, envisioning the business needs of the time. The Murugappas constructed steel safes, ran a sandpaper plant, started an insurance firm and a rubber plant. The differing intrigues established the framework for outstanding, amongst other run, and biggest family-possessed organizations in South India. Core company segments. First is Coromandel International Limited. Coromandel International Limited, India's second largest phosphatic fertilizer player, is in the business segments of fertilizers, specialty nutrients, crop protection and retail. The company manufactures a wide range of fertilizers and markets around 4.5 million tons, making it a leader in its addressable markets. In its endeavor to be a complete plant nutrition solutions company, Coromandel has also introduced a range of specialty nutrient products including organic fertilizers. Next is Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company Limited. Cholamandalam Investment and Finance Company Limited, or Chola, incorporated in 1978 as the financial services arm of the Murugappa Group. Chola commenced business as an equipment financing company and has today emerged as a comprehensive financial services provider offering vehicle finance, home loans, home equity loans, SME loans, investment advisory services, stock broking, and a variety of other financial services to customers. Tube Investments of India Limited. In 1959, Tube Investments of India, that is TII, was formed by merging the TI Cycles of India and Tube Products of India. It was the group's first of many successful joint ventures and also its first foray into large-scale manufacturing. In 1962, the company saw the potential to leverage its engineering skills to address the market for roll-formed metal products. Next is EID Parry India Limited. EID Parry India Limited, or EID Parry, is a listed company engaged in the business of sugar and nutraceuticals. Founded in 1788, Parry has been a household name for over 225 years. The company holds the distinction of setting up India's first sugar plant at Nelikuppam in 1842 and even today continues to pioneer new paths in each of its businesses. EID Parry is a pioneer and world leader in organic spirulina and microalgal products in nutraceutical space. Next is Carborundum Universal Limited. The company manufactures a wide range of fertilizers and has the capacity to manufacture over 3.5 million tons of phosphatic fertilizers and 1 million tons of single superphosphate, making it a leader in its addressable markets among the other fertilizer manufacturers in India. Coromandel has wandered into the retail business and has set up near 800 country retail focuses in the states of Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and Telangana. Conclusion: the Murugappa Group and family continue to build on the example of philanthropy initiated by Diwan Bahadur. The family has taken steps towards articulating what they stand for by developing their corporate values and beliefs. In the last decade, the group has looked at its portfolio of businesses with an eye towards future growth. The group also seeks to balance and reduce its portfolio of companies to the 6 business areas it knows well and in which it holds leadership positions. Thank you for watching. स्टॉक एच करो, स्मार्ट इन्वेस्टर बनो।